Hello there, assalamu alaikum. Right now, two feature ad for Laravel Fiverr Clone script. So, see this Laravel. For this one, for Laravel choice and new bug fix new feature ad, and this one for this user for pro version, pro already verified version. This user verified version. This one user for basket for this feature add or automatically. This logic set for this feature show is not for verified user show, but if this feature is not find, so automatically show for verified user. So this logic is fast logic, and this one second logic. You cannot this include file and automatically show pro version, but this one for basic user is no basket show or no provide pro version show easily. For this one show, for this one Laravel choice, and second one Laravel feature, and already in Laravel studio add for 3 option. Right now I am go to for first link, this one for link, this see this message for Laravel for choice automatically show, and last second option add this one for recommended for you, automatically recommended for you. For you can select for easily. I'm go to for backend, this one for backend. This post already lots of ping product ad, and second one add this one for open this URL, go to description below, it's not show anything. I'm go to this one and select pick product and find example 2, and also lots of product show, and just for this one add and this one add and this one add 3 product add. You can easily lots of product add, and go to on this one reload, and see automatically 3 product show. Just only 3 products show. You can lots of product easily add for your favorite product and recommended for you. I hope like my video. You can need this for script link description below. Please subscribe my channel. New feature very soon coming. So right now, bye bye.